Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, and today I will show you how you can put this device into the download mode. So, before I get started, you'll want to grab a cable, plug it into your computer, as we will need it to basically access any kind of mode outside of the typical Android. Now once you have that ready, let's turn off the device by swiping down from the top right side, clicking on the power button and choosing power off. Now the device will turn off, and when it does, you want to then start holding volume up and volume down, and while you're going to start holding them, you also will plug in the cable. So I'm just going to kind of try to grab this somehow, so I can easily just do all of this while still showing it on camera. So I'm pressing these buttons already, plugging it in. And there we go. So, this is not download mode just yet, I want to warn you. So you can see we have warning, a custom OS can cause critical problems in phone and installed applications. Just to go over this is just Samsung's bullshit. They're trying to prevent you from leaving their ecosystem, and there's much more happening that they will be doing against that. So just know, it's basically like you going out and interfering with their ways of making money, as the way they're making money is by basically spying on you and selling the data. So you can imagine that they're not going to be too effing happy about this. So that's just number one fear mongering right here. I'm gonna just completely show a middle finger to this and press volume up to continue. And you can see this takes us to the download mode. Now just know that if you ever decide to flash, for instance, your device with a different version of like Android, or maybe even try to install Linux or stuff like that, a bunch of things on your device will stop working. Number one, cameras won't be available to you. Samsung and their bullshit excuse is that we don't want people to basically confuse their devices for taking crappy photos. I mean, shit, they're already taking absolutely dog shit photos. I would know. So it's not like it's anything new there. So yeah, for instance, things like cameras won't work, fingerprint sensors won't work, and the, what is it called? Knox obviously becomes unfunctional. So there's several different things that basically mean that Samsung is deliberately hindering how the device is being used, because the device that you paid for, if you're not using Samsung software, basically means that, hey, you're not going to be using cameras that you paid for, because those aren't your cameras, these are our cameras. Apparently it's a free country. Anyway, so if you're planning to unlock it, just sell this piece of shit if you have something like that, and get a device that basically isn't beating you over the head and telling you you're going to be using our system, or if not, we're going to remove functionality, because let's be honest, Samsung isn't the user-friendly one. You might as well also expect that you're going to get an update, first one, that's going to bring ads. Oh wait, that already happened on the fridges. That they also claimed they wouldn't do. So anyway, now going back to this one, once you're done with this mode, maybe you realize that you don't want to do anything with it because you like your cameras or whatever. You can actually see the message right here, so you can hold the volume down and side key, or, oh sorry, yeah, side key, sorry. So I am reading this correctly, I'm just getting a brain aneurysm because all the buttons are on the side. What it means is volume down and power button in reality. Let's name it as it is. I don't name volume up and down side keys, as they are also on the freaking side. So we're gonna hold both of those, power, volume down, for more than 7 seconds, like the message states, and basically you wanna hold it as long as it takes for this mode to disappear. Right about now, there we go. Once it does, you can let go of these buttons, and the device should, I believe, start booting up on its own. It looks like not, so we're gonna turn it on. There we go. And there we go, now we're back. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.